Alright, Hank. You can look at the new TV I bought from the store.
Aye, aye, aye. I cannot wait to see the new TV you just bought from the store.
I'm with you, guys. Let's watch movies of CREMTHERVITNDCHESETHECHESETHO.
Ghost Thinker.
I am going to get the popcorn.
Oh, come on, Hank. Did you set the microwave timer to 99 minutes?
Gigi. No, I didn't.
Oh dear. Guys, I think the popcorn is about to...
Holy shnikes! Did you see that, Mary?
That's the first time I seen the microwave explode. It also covered our room with smoke and popcorn.
What? The popcorn is expired. Sick. Gross. Ew.
Ouch. I almost died from the explosion. My entire body hurts. Ow.
Scotty? Are you feeling alright?
This is what caused this madness. Hank made the microwave explode into pieces, and the explosion broke our TV, which caused everyone to start crying. The explosion also covered our room with smoke and expired popcorn.
What? Expired popcorn?
Okay, this is why no one likes expired popcorn.